What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. It's funny, I used to think that approaching the girl and getting her to go on a few dates with me was the hard part, and that if she became my girlfriend, everything would be super easy after that. But, like, I couldn't have been any more wrong. So we're about to walk into Urban Outfitters and we're gonna play a little game. I'm gonna buy something for Julia, she's gonna buy something for me, and after we leave here, no matter what we get each other, we both have to wear it. Bro, these have to be like the ugliest single pair of clothing that I've seen in my entire life. We can't do that, we can't do that. Any luck?
Yeah, I got it.
If you get that, you don't even want to know what I'm gonna get you.
I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
I'm gonna get her those shorts if she gets that. Boom. Julia looks amazing in these like crop cut t-shirts. She already has a lot of basic colors though. So I'm thinking like blue, or let's do the red one. All right, are y'all ready to see what we got inside the secret bag? Damn. These might be the most comfortable shorts I own, Julia.
And I like this shirt. It really flatters my figure.
For real though, thank you, babe. I like these a lot.
Thanks. I look like Barney, but...
You don't like the color?
It's all good.
So tell me if this sounds familiar. You meet a girl that you're super attracted to. You go on 2 or 3 dates with her, and you're crazy excited to keep hanging out. But then all of a sudden, she starts flaking on your plans. She stops replying to your text messages, and before you know, it's completely over. Look, if you're trying to build a jacked body, your first couple of steps are to get a gym membership and maybe buy some supplements. But if that's all you do, you're never gonna see any results. And it's the same thing with girls. Yes, at first you need to confidently approach her and take her on a few dates. But if you don't have a plan for keeping her attracted after that, girls are just gonna keep getting bored with you.
You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out.
One of the biggest reasons I stopped talking to guys after a few dates was because I found out they're not actually who they say they are. For example, I dated this guy that was like, yeah, I'd love to travel, but I ended up finding out he didn't even own a passport.
Yeah, man, I've definitely made that mistake myself. You just want to impress the girl so much at first that you want to look your best, and sometimes you might even tell a few stories that aren't true.
Oh my God, I hate when guys are super lazy and they stop doing their hair or going to the gym after a few dates.
And that is why I decided to partner with Tiege Hanley to be the sponsor of today's video. If you want to look as attractive as possible, then you need to have clear, healthy skin that girls want to get close to and touch, and that's where Tiege Hanley comes in. Look, man, I've tried a lot of different skincare products in the past, and Tiege Hanley is by far the simplest and most effective. Each box is gonna look like this, and it's gonna come with an assortment of different creams and lotions in there that are designed specifically to work together and give you the best skin possible. For example, you're gonna get their daily face wash, the best face wash I've tried. You're gonna get a moisturizer to use in the morning with sun protection. You're gonna get one to use in the evening, and all of this stuff is made from top quality ingredients like collagen and eucalyptus, which would normally be expensive, but because they cut out the middleman and they sell directly to you, they're actually able to offer it at a very affordable price. And because they're sponsoring the video today, they hooked us up with a secret link, first link in description. If you use that, you're gonna get an even better deal on your first box of Tiege Hanley. All right, quick gym tip for y'all. Twice a week at the end of your workouts, add in a couple extra sets for whatever muscle group you're really focusing on growing right now. So for me, I'm focused on growing my shoulders. So today, I'm gonna do a couple sets of these kettlebell shoulder raises. And this is something that Christian Guzman showed me when I worked out with him last time. Because they're weighted a little bit differently than dumbbells, I don't know what it is, but you really Really feel it in that lateral deltoid. Alright, so half of the battle is setting realistic expectations. You know, don't get lazy after a few dates, and don't tell any big grand stories about yourself that you can't live up to. But there's a whole nother 50% that we haven't even talked about. So from my experience, there's two keys here. You have to keep growing and you have to keep her guessing, because if the relationship ever becomes something that's predictable and routine, like, she's gonna get bored with you.
Yeah, that reminds me of the time that when we first started dating and we went paintballing and you're like, we need to go. And I was like, I don't think I can do this. But he pushed me out of my comfort zone and it was actually really fun.
She loved it. She bought all her own gear afterwards.
Yeah, I have my own gun. No big deal.
So that would be an example of keeping her on her toes and keeping her guessing. Now, you also need to keep growing, and this one is completely your responsibility. So you need to continually set goals for yourself in your career, in the gym, because this is gonna make you a more attractive man. It's gonna motivate your girl to do the same thing, and then you're gonna have this like crazy support system that I never experienced before Julia, where you're both pushing each other and holding each other accountable. Like, you should see photos of both of us from the beginning of our relationship. We both have changed. We've got a lot more fit. We've made a lot more money. And I feel like we're both way more confident people.
Hells yeah.
All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just fall out now. Yeah, 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 just fall out.
I don't think I've ever been this dehydrated in my life. It's officially summertime in Texas, 95 degrees right now. Feels like 105. So we went to this juice bar called Nectar Juice Bar. I got this juice and I got this lemonade. How much do you think this lemonade costs? Guess.
Guys, it's not lemonade. It's like pressed juice.
It says skinny lemonade and it cost me $7.
It's pressed juice.
This one's real good though. Berries, banana, protein powder. Also costs $10.75. I didn't realize you could charge someone so much for juice and fruit.
It's a smoothie.
Yeah, it's a smoothie. I'm about to show you guys how we did it back in Boston. I think it was number 5, Bay State Magic AAU team.
Shaquille O'Neal.
So I think the biggest perk of dating this guy is he is a phenomenal back massager. So if YouTube doesn't work out, you know you have something to fall back on.
I wish I could say the same about you. Julia's massage technique is like, I'm gonna find the knot, and if the knot's right here, she puts like her whole body weight into her elbow, and it's like a torch. That's not how you massage. But I would say the biggest perk of dating you, maybe I can't say it on camera. So bro, at the end of the day, my main advice to you is to look at your life like it's an adventure. Like, do exciting things, try new things, always be trying to accomplish new things and just grow stronger, regardless of whether or not you have a girl in your life. And then if you do happen to meet a cool girl who you like and she likes you back, the mindset you need to take is you're inviting her to come along your adventure. Like, she's invited to come and take part in your adventure. You're not dropping your adventure to try and please her, because if you do that, not only are you going to sacrifice your life, but it's not going to please her. And don't get me wrong, you still need to make that initial effort to approach her and to set up those first few dates. But after that, if things are going well, remind yourself, I need to keep growing and I need to keep her guessing. So stay focused on your goals, but when you make time to hang out with her, keep her guessing. Don't always just Netflix and chill or go for a dinner or a movie. Sometimes take her to the gym with you.
Invite her over to cook dinner, try new things. Every once in a while, do something crazy like go paintballing or skydiving, or surprise her with a little trip without telling her. Because if you do this, girls are gonna become addicted to you. And even if things don't work out, you're gonna be living this dope life. You're gonna be happy with yourself anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. If you made it to the end, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe and turn notifications on, because I drop new videos every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. I will talk to you in the next video. Stay beastly.